Hi everyone. If you're an Android and Windows user, here is a quick and convenient way to share files between your Android devices and your Windows PCs wirelessly. It's called Quick Share, which is a built-in feature in Android 6 and newer, and works flawlessly with the Quick Share app for Windows. If you have used PhoneLink or a file sharing app that comes with your mobile phone before, you will likely find that Quick Share is better than those apps in terms of its simplicity and ease of use, especially if all you need to do is just a cross-platform file sharing between your devices wirelessly. For a quick, unrestricted file sharing, no internet connection, and no sign-in with an email address required. Alright, let me just do a simple demo to show you just how easy it is to use Quick Share. First, make sure your devices are connected to the same local network. For my case, my devices are connected to my Skynet, which as you can see here, does not have an internet connection. Now on your Android phone, show the control center, and then tap Quick Share. On the Quick Share home screen, if you're asked to turn on your Bluetooth, you may simply turn it on. Then tap your phone's name to go to the Quick Share setup screen. Beside tapping the Quick Share shortcut on your control center, you can also get to this screen by opening Settings, More Connectivity Options, and then Quick Share. Alright, now let's go into the details of this Quick Share setup. The account setting is optional. You will only need to log into your Google account if you want to restrict your file sharing and keep your devices visible to your own devices only. Then for the device name, you may use the default name or change it to your preference. And finally, tap Who Can Share With You. Make your Android device visible to nearby devices, and then select the visibility filter. For this demo, let me just choose Everyone. Then go back to the previous screen, and your Android device is ready for file sharing. Now go to your Windows PC and launch Quick Share for Windows. At the top left corner of the window is your PC's name. This name will be used to identify your PC during the file sharing process. Then select your preferred visibility filter or who can share with this PC. For this demo, let's set it to Everyone. Then to configure the Receive Files folder, click Settings and change the Receive Files folder to your preference. Alright, so now both your devices are ready for Quick Share file transfer. Let's begin by transferring file from Android to Windows first. So go back to your Android device and tap the Send button. Select the file to be shared. And then tap your Windows PC's name. Go back to your PC and click Accept to start the file transfer. Once done, you may go to the Quick Share's Receive Files folder to look for the file, or simply click Open to open it. Now to send a file from your Windows PC to your Android device, first go back to your Android device and tap Receive. Then on your Windows PC, select the files or folders to be sent, and then click your Android device's name. Go back to your Android phone and tap Accept to begin the transfer. Once done, you may tap View Downloads to see the file, or tap Open to open it immediately. Alright, so that's how simple and straightforward it is to share files between Android and Windows using Quick Share. And after you're done with file sharing, you may simply turn off your device's visibilities accordingly. Alright, so if you want to use Quick Share, you may get the Quick Share for Windows from its official download page. You may either search for Quick Share for Windows, or simply click the link on this video's description. Alright, I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.